6:30 in the morning. A car whipped out from behind the semi and it hit me head on. The impact knocked the cab of the pickup off the chassis. It was horrific. They took me to Medical City Denton, and the doctor came in there and said, "We're gonna take your foot off." It hit me like a ton of bricks, because I'm a big guy, I'm active, I coach football, and I got 4 children. A lot of people depend on me. So I lost my foot, I broke my pelvis, a metal rod there, I broke my shoulder, a metal rod there, and I had a rib puncture my lung. I was there for about 2 months.
Because we are a level 2 trauma center, we were able to have the things in place that could take care of Mr. Wheeler immediately as he got here. He required pretty immediate transition to the operating room, and because we had those systems in place, his care wasn't delayed.
Level 2 trauma designation guarantees 24/7 multi-specialty care for very severely injured trauma victims like Mr. Wheeler. We require input from infectious disease, orthopedics, trauma surgery, neurosurgery. He was a very labor-intensive guy, and I think if he went to another hospital, he may not be here with us today.
Palm flat on the table. You're just going to raise your hands up in the air and back down. Good, so that's awesome.
I'm doing my rehab at Medical City Louisville. When I got here, I thought I was so far from being able to get around, but I worked hard, did what they told me to do, and I had a positive attitude, and I go home today. It's been a great experience.
Medical City Denton is a sister facility, and so we have immediate access to all the records, immediate access to all the physicians, and have close coordination of care. I'm able to access any tests, studies, labs that were left by any specialist, which is critical for transitioning his care to rehab, and then from rehab to home.
It's going to push down towards the floor, and you're going to come up nice and slow.
He was a fighter. He has a lot to overcome, and he did very, very well.
This is a landmark case for the future that showed incredible collaboration between Medical City Louisville and Medical City Denton. And we need to continue that interoperability between the 2 medical centers.
I hope to be, maybe not 100%, but still able to go and do what my kids require. I'm glad that I'm going home.